tomorrow evening, but we'll even break out into some clear sky for a little while. And then going into Saturday morning, the clouds start filling back in. And look at these low temperatures. We'll be down into the teens to around 20 degrees. Then during the day Saturday, most of it is just fine with increasing clouds. Highs stay in the 20s, though, so it's going to be a really cold day. So snow reaches western Virginia by about mid-afternoon. We may start seeing some flurries in the metro by about 4 or 5 o'clock, but the main batch of snow is going to come in towards the evening. And notice the temperatures are all in the 20s, even some teens north and west. It snows pretty much most of Saturday night. However, right around 2, 3, 4 a.m., the snow is going to change to sleet or ice pellets. You know, the stuff that ping, ping, ping. That's going to start pressing from south to north across the region. By 6 a.m., we may be getting some snow changing to sleet in the metro. And then far southeastern Virginia, we'll start to see freezing rain. That's the stuff that falls as a liquid, but then ices up as it hits the ground. So mid-morning here, some sleet even going into northern Virginia, freezing rain towards the southeast, plain rain down by Norfolk. But we have a wintry mix going on for most of the day Wednesday. And then even in Richmond, the sleet changes to freezing rain in the afternoon. And that freezing rain line will press a little bit farther north and westward as the day progresses. So essentially, the more north and west you are in the state, the more snow and less ice you'll see. The farther south and southeast you are, the less snow and more ice you'll see. So what will happen is far southern Virginia, brief snow. We'll get the maximum amount of sleet and ice there. Metro over into the Middle Peninsula will have some snow. And then we'll have some heavy sleet and ice on top of that. Farther north and west, we'll have snow, then sleet, and some freezing rain. And far north and west, it'll be a lot of snow, a lot of sleet with a chance of some freezing rain. By the time all is said and done, about 4 to 8 inches, especially north and west of Richmond. Southside Virginia, up to 4 inches. It depends on when that transition happens, at least an inch or two, if not up to 4. Farther north and west, we're talking about more than 8 inches of snow in extreme northwestern Virginia. That's a potential for seeing over a foot. And with the icing potential, we could have a really significant problem here, especially across Southside Virginia. We're talking about trees down, power lines down, power issues. And again, that's going to be on Sunday. So winter storm watch for the entire viewing area this weekend. That'll likely get upgraded to a winter storm warning, perhaps part of the viewing area even into an ice storm warning. 24 on Saturday with late day snow. That wintry mix on Sunday, 25. We dry out Monday, but it stays really cold next week. Look at that Tuesday morning. We may have some spots north and west down to near 0.